In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the default menu bar template that's created with ActivePrez. We'll cover the awareness of presentation themes, editing the menu template elements, then assigning them to the template, and finally, the show and hide buttons. In my sample presentation, I've used the default Office template that PowerPoint uses if no other has been set. Here's the Office template shown in the Design tab of PowerPoint. I've also created a simple menu and applied it to the presentation. You can see the ActivePrez menu here at the top of the slide. The first thing to note is that when ActivePrez first creates the menu bar template slide, it creates it as a theme-aware slide, as seen here on slide 7. The template elements are shown at the top of the slide, and we can see that the colour for the level 1 bar is using the accent 1 colour from the theme. Likewise, level 2 is using the accent 2 colour from the theme. And the text is using the background 1 colour, which is white in this theme. Because the ActivePrez menu template is theme aware, you can change the theme design, and your menu bar template and the menu applied to your slides will be updated automatically. Let's look at editing the menu bar template now, but before we do that, I'm going to switch the theme back to something easier to see. One of the great things about ActivePrez is that it allows you to change any aspect of the visual style of your menu using all of the standard PowerPoint formatting tools. For example, the menu can be moved to a different position in your slide. The bars can be resized. The text can be reformatted. And the separators can be redesigned in terms of style as well. Once you're happy with your changes, you simply return to the Insert tab of the ribbon and click the ActivePrez Reapply button to update your menu across the presentation. And now you can see the menu has changed in terms of position, the level 2 height, level 1 and level 2 width, the separator, and the level 2 text. And we can do more by using grouped objects. Let's go back to our template slide. I'm going to move the menu back to the top of the slide. Let's say we want the level 2 bar to look like a flag strip. We can insert a set of triangles and group those to the level 2 bar. Here's the first triangle. I'm going to create a few more. Now if I select all of these and my level 2 bar and group it, it's come into the front layer, so it's important to make sure that it's in the right layer. And because this is now a grouped object, we've lost the reference to level 2 bar as far as ActivePrez is concerned, so we need to add that back in. There are two ways to do this. You can click the Insert tab again and the drop down button of the Edit menu and select Assign to Template. And this gives you the available elements within the menu bar that you can assign it to. For PowerPoint 2010 and onwards users, including 2013, you can simply right click on your shape and choose from the Assign to ActivePrez menu which drops down. And you can see here that everything is assigned apart from the level 2 bar. So if I click the level 2 bar, that will reconnect the level 2 with ActivePrez. And once again, we can reapply the menu. And you can see that my menu, while it overlaps the content of the slide, has the additional triangles across all of the slides. So let's just correct that content issue. I'm just going to move the title so that it's out of the way of the menu, and then watch the slideshow. So there we go, our menu. Section 1, navigate to section 2. Within section 2, navigate to slide 4, slide 5, which is actually marked as slide 2 of section 2, and slide 3 of section 2. And that is it. Finally, let's take a look at the hide and show buttons, which are over here at the moment. These two buttons also have the ability to be moved around anywhere on the slide. We can also resize them, so at the moment they're a bit small. Let's increase the font a bit, change the font, and I'm going to change the colors as well. Give them a bit more meaning in terms of on and off buttons. I'm going to position them on top of each other so that that makes sense from a user interface perspective, and move them into the top right hand corner. Return to the ActivePrez menu and click the reapply button, and once again in slideshow mode we can see that the buttons have changed style, they've changed position, we've changed the font, we've changed the color. And if I want to have the menu hidden by default, then I simply click the hide button, start the slideshow again, and the menu is hidden by default. Click one of the items to move to that section or that slide, and then I have to click on again to re-enable the menu. That's all for template editing, so thanks for watching, and if you'd like to learn how to create a menu bar template from scratch, please check out our other tutorials online.